If you forgot your Roblox PIN and you're hoping Gmail can save the day, here's the good news. You're not totally out of luck. But it also isn't as simple as hitting Forgot PIN and watching magic happen. You can't reset it directly from Gmail. That's the kicker. Gmail isn't the golden backdoor into Roblox accounts. But you can use your Gmail to reset your password, which opens a workaround to remove or reset the PIN itself. First step, go to roblox.com and click Login, then hit the Forgot Password or Username link. Enter your Gmail address that's connected to your account, and Roblox will send you a password reset link. This is where details matter. Make sure you're using the exact email you verified with Roblox. If you ever let your cousin use your email to make an alt, and now you're tangled in accounts, congrats. You'll probably reset the wrong one. After you reset your password and can get back into the account, head straight to the account settings. On desktop, that's the little gear icon in the upper right corner. Mobile, tap the three dots at the bottom, same destination. Once inside account settings, click on the Parental Controls tab. This is where the PIN lives. But here's the catch. You still need to know the current PIN to remove or change it from here. Yeah, I know. Fun, right? So here's the workaround. You contact Roblox support directly. You're going to file a support ticket saying you forgot your PIN, but you know the account email, and you've already regained access to the account. Go to roblox.com/support. For issue details, pick billing and payments or account hacked or can't log in. Then describe that you forgot the PIN, but do have access to the account email. Be polite, clear, and specific. Pro tip: attach proof. That might include a screenshot of your logged-in account or a detail like your last purchase date if you've ever bought Robux. Anything that proves this is your account goes a long way. Now comes the part nobody likes: the waiting. Roblox support can take anywhere from 24 hours to several days to respond. But if you lay out your case well, especially using your verified Gmail, they usually can verify and remove the PIN. This might feel like overkill for a 4-digit code, but make no mistake, these PINs are safety nets, especially for kids' accounts. Roblox doesn't want a 10-year-old bypassing limits just because they know how to work Gmail. So if nothing else, treat this like a lesson in online hygiene. Verify your email, use two-step if you can, and don't set PINs you'll forget after 2 weeks. I'm Scott, I'm from Portland, and I've locked myself out of Roblox accounts more times than I'll admit.